Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm Satoshi Sean. Glad you're here. Glad to be hanging out with you. Thank you for stopping by. If it's your first time here, please hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications. Try to get as much content as I can, whether it's reviews or interviews, shows, um, news, whatever. Uh, also, please leave a like. It really helps me out with YouTube's algorithm. And leave a comment. If you leave a comment, you're registered to win some crypto. Give away crypto every show. Not on True Tuesday, which is with Likecoin and Lisa on Tuesdays, or World Blockchain Roundtable, because that's hosted by Dragon Chain, and I just stream it to the channel. But like Crypto Rednecks, Friday Market, and Crypto Wrap Up, Crypto Meme Review, I give away crypto on all those. And all you have to do to get to win is just be leave a comment and be subscribed. Use a random comment picker, and you're in. Today I'm going to do a review on Web3AI. They are past their pre-sale. They're in their sale right now. But there's a lot to be said about it. Let's take here we go, jump over there. Now, like I said, they had their pre-sale. They've raised a lot. They've raised almost $8.5 million so far. But right now, you can click on join pre-sale or buy or anywhere. It takes you to the here where you can connect your wallet and buy. The dashboard looks really nice and clean. Great GUI. It's just a little nod that they really did put a little bit of effort into that, which is a good green flag. But right now, current price is 0004, and that goes up every stage. At TGE and list, it's supposed to be listing at half a penny, so it's over 10x from the current price there. So it is still, even though the pre-sales was 0.003, it's still a very ground floor opportunity. Still early adoption is within reach. So, and to kind of say, I'm not your financial advisor, I'm not your dad. You should always do your own research and look into everything for yourself, but I do think this is worth a look to check it out. My last video, I was watching it, and I always say, I'm not your dad. My kids are walking by, and they were like, yes, you are. It was silly. But okay, so what is Web3AI? It's using AI and ML, market analysis, or multi-level marketing analysis to, first off, it's just crazy how far AI has come and how much AI has done for Web3. If you've been in blockchain or crypto for a while, we've been pushing Web3 for years, and the adoption that has happened because of AI in the past 6 months is just insane. And a lot of people are leapfrogging this technology where they've never used Web3, they haven't even heard of Web3, and then they get into something like this and they're creating on Web3. So it's the strides forward are insane. But this is more of a serious AI. It's not used to like make pictures of your favorite movie stars kissing or whatever. This is used for your investing and to take risk and manage risk. Okay. So it's the main, I got some notes. To empower users with intelligent automated tools to enhance security, maximize returns, and streamline blockchain interaction, make Web3 safer and more efficient and accessible. So to monitor DeFi, which I'll give you the stats on what it does, which is kind of crazy. Unstable staking yields and portfolio risk to lower those. Complex fragment blockchain tools. Problem solved is to get rid of the lack of transparency and community control in Web3 platforms. So the risk management, real-time threat detection, vulnerability analysis, and smart contract monitoring in DeFi and Web3 and dApp ecosystems. A staking advisor, listen to this. AI-driven recommendations to maximize returns and reduce risk across multiple chains, lowering portfolio volatility by 35% in what they've tested. Real-time trading insights, fraud detection, market intelligence. That's different than analysis. Market intelligence and analysis, and data-driven portfolio strategies, smarter investing decisions. So scroll down here. I'll tell you what this. So DeFi Yield Farming Advisor, I already told you that is taking a lot of the risk out of it, adds an extra layer of security, and that's lowering the risk by 35% so far from what they've shown. AI trading bots. It takes a lot of the emotion out of trading, which is a trader's one of their biggest problems, is jumping in or jumping out. Now, this is something I have not really seen that's been integrated with and I think it's one of the best things for AI, is a crypto news aggregator. Now, this is more of like a fundamental analysis instead of a technical analysis, and combining the two is awesome. Back to the last run, I traded mainly on fundamental analysis. That's what this last cycle has been a little bit more tighter, and it's been a lot like Kiff's. He's super good in TA, and he's relied more on me for the fundamental analysis. Like that's watching all the news, seeing who's doing what's happening with what project. That's more of a fundamental analysis, watching those areas of the market. And this aggregates all the news and combines it with the technical stuff to give you a much better overview, which is really, really cool. And it's one of I think the best uses for AI. So the token is the Y token or WAI token. Like I said, just click anywhere to buy. It runs also like how it runs the platform. It creates an ecosystem. I want to say it runs the ecosystem, but it actually creates the ecosystem and then runs it. So you need to have the token to be able to utilize it, and there's a lot of benefits for having it. One, you use the Y token to pay for Web3 and AI products, subscriptions for access to get advanced features, AI analytics, trading signals, discounts, all the stuff that you can utilize the Web3 AI platform for. You need to have the token. You receive revenue share, and one of the more important things is you get to vote on product development as part of a DAO. So you have participate in fundamental decisions for Web3 AI, like adopting new products, partnerships, blah, blah, blah. Big deal. It's very important. I'm going to put links below to everything, including the white paper, so you can check that out. Much more transparency when it comes to having the DAO and to putting everything on chain. This is another example of how crypto and blockchain is bringing. I mean, I can't really say things that regular people couldn't get because this didn't exist, years ago. But you couldn't have had these opportunities years ago. It was only huge corporations or really, really wealthy people that would pay people to watch all the news, to aggregate, to do experts. And now, with the use of AI and blockchain and Web3, it's bringing it to the masses. So the regular Joe Schmo is able to have access to all of these tools to be able to make the best decisions with their portfolio. I think it's a really cool time to be around. But they've got, like I said, audits coming, Cirque and Hacken, the big ones. The roadmap is really just they're going to utilize the DAO. To continue, Web3AI aims to continuously expand suites of AI tools, onboard new blockchain integrations, and foster a strong decentralized community through the obvious transparent governance and ecosystem. They do have a referral program here, which you can you just connect your wallet and you get a link and you can share that and earn with that. Let me see. They have a good FAQ. Is it down at the bottom? There it is. Community. You can check out their Twitter, Telegram, Instagram down here at the bottom. But I'll leave links to that probably in the description as well. So let me know what you think of Web3 AI. Like I said, it's a more serious project for this area of crypto. But I think as people come in to crypto and Web3, like all at once, and have these tools now, I said it's a cool time to be involved in crypto. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you think. I will see you guys in the next video, and it was good hanging out with you.